Whether or not you are trading a small account, you can make money trading VIX 75 with this simple moving average strategy that you have to combine with price action. Just some simple steps I'm going to share with you, and you could make a lot of money for yourself. It doesn't matter if you are trading a small account, it doesn't matter if your account is huge, but you just have to follow these simple steps and you will make a lot of profit for yourself, guys. You can see we are on our trade right now. We've been milking this market right from this level, guys. This is where we picked this trade from. It was supposed to be around this level, but we met it here, and this is where we carried where we entered the market. Myself and my VIP members, we have been on this trade and we have been making a good amount of money from it since we entered. Okay, this is the last screenshot I posted on my group before I started making this video. Okay, so I'll simply just tell you guys how this works. It's very easy. You just have to be able to follow it appropriately. All right, you just have to follow these simple steps that I'm going to share with you appropriately, and you will be able to make this money for yourself. You don't need to stress too much to make money off the markets, the VIX 75 market. I know it's a very volatile market. It moves very fast. That is how much it can make you rich in less than no time, and it's also how much it can ruin your account in less than no time. But I believe as long as I am making money off the market, as long as every other professional trader is making money off this market, you too can do it. Anybody can do it. All right, and I'm here to guide you guys on simple steps how you can do it. So make sure you are glued to this channel, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and always like the videos that I post, because to help push it to every other person that might want to take advantage of this knowledge that I share free of charge on this channel. Okay, so subscribe if you haven't done that. Please, 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 it's very important that you do that right now. So quickly, you just have to forget about the indicators you are seeing. Let me just take this out. We don't need this. We simply need this moving average on the main chart. So you just simply add that on your main chart. The period is 200, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Okay, so you could use any color on your choice. As far as style is concerned, you can use any color of your choice. All right, as long as it is visible on your screen. Okay, make sure you always use colors that you can see clearly on your chart. So when you have that, you just simply click done, and I'm going to show you guys how you can get to the point where you place a trade. You don't just want to jump into the market just because you have the moving average settings. Okay, we are going to follow simple steps until we get to the point where we actually place a trade. And then boom. Okay, so I like to first of all go to the higher time frame, like the 4 hours time frame, as you can see here, and see how the moving average behaved on this time frame. Okay, this time frame is very, very important, because it's a time frame that shows you a very clear picture of the market. Okay, on your 4 hours chart, on your 4 hours chart, you just simply see how the moving average behaves. Like in the case here, you can see whenever price touches it, it bounces back upwards. Okay, so that means that's the key support area, but that's not enough, guys. So you just want to also be able to identify those the key support area using your horizontal line, or probably your trend line, however you used to get yours. Okay, you can see that on my horizontal line, that places a clear support zone. All right, if I place my trend line also, sorry about that, I just moved it. So if I place my trend line also, it's still a clear support zone. Now this alone is proof that price is going to bounce back from that area. Okay, it must not always bounce back from that area, but a good number of times when price hits the support level, the key support level, it usually just bounces up. But you don't want to depend on just that to come up with your entry. That's how you will have to analyze the market time frame by time frame down till you get to the 1 minute time frame, where you want to be depending on your indicator, the moving average that we have set up already. Okay, so here we have, this is like a confluence. You can see at that point, you can see that the horizontal line and the trend line came together to meet at this level. Okay, and if you can also notice that just around that level here and here, you can see that price usually just reverses. All right, around that level here where you have the moving average here, that's the blue line, you can see that price always kicks back up whenever it gets to that point. All right, so it got to this point and then it started pushing back up. There was a long rejection on the 4 hours time frame that pushed the market upwards, even up to this level before it dropped. Okay, all right, that means that that place is strong enough to reverse the market, okay, to reverse price. Now you see that it's almost 5 p.m and the 4 hours time frame is going to definitely close bullish, so that is a confirmation that price is going to keep moving. All right, price is going to keep moving. I'm looking at the time pending on my location. Okay, so you switch to the 1 hour time frame and you notice that at that point there was already a clear bullish movement. All right, so you want to have it at the back of your mind that that place is solid. All right, that place is solid. So just I like to not skip any time frame. I like to always check on every other time frame to still see that there are still bullish momentum around that level. All right, so switching to the 1 minute time frame now, guys, you can see that at that level, you can see that price had crossed your moving average. All right, at that point price had crossed your moving average, the blue line here, and it has pushed above it. All right, so price closing above the blue line, the moving average line here, it shows that there is a very strong bullish momentum and is going to move upwards. All right, so each time price crosses the blue, you can see that whenever price reverses below the blue line, the moving average, it usually just drops. Okay, but as far as whenever price pushes above that level and closes above that level, usually pushes upwards. All right, so you want to depend on that moving average to place an entry. So if you see price close above that moving average and then probably retest that moving average, that's enough reason why you should be taking your trade. Okay, so look at all of the conditions, make sure they are met, make sure that on all the time frames that you see bullish momentum before you take your trade, guys. So hit me up on the comment section, tell me where you find it difficult to understand, if you don't understand any point. All right, so also you will see my number, my WhatsApp number will be on the description of these videos. Just make sure you link up and let me know where you have challenges, guys.